Hello, today I'm going to show you how to replace your spark plugs of your Mercedes C180 Coupe. Let's open the car hood and have a look in front or in top of your engine. There it is. This is the cover of the engine, and this we have to first disassemble. It's locked by four lock sticks or lock bolts, so we have to lift these lock bolts up and unlock the cover of your engine. So good job. Now you are able to replace it or disassemble it. Good job. Lay down on the left side. Here you're going to see the spots where this cover is assembled. Yeah, good job. Now let's have a look on top of the engine. There it is. This is your 4-cylinder engine, and there is 1, 2, 3, and 4 ignition coils. Now let's take a Torx bit and start disassembling the ignition coil. For example, we will replace the sparking plug on one cylinder. This is enough because the work through is the same on the other 3 cylinders left. So unscrew the 2 screws on top of the ignition coil. Take care that the bolts are not leaving in the engine area. This is important. Have a look. Okay, and now you are able to grab the ignition coil and lift it up until it's popped around. Good job. Lift it up and shake it a little bit, and done. Disassembling complete. Good job. This is the ignition coil. Okay, now let's have a look down there. There's the sparkling plug, the first sparkling plug, and we need an additional part of it, and sparkling plug holder, sparkling plug additional part with 14 millimeters, and this is designed to extract your sparkling plugs of this kind of engine. Good job. Put it in by hand, have a look that it's matched, and then do your ratchet on top and unscrew the first sparkling plug. Now pull it out by rotating it anti-clockwise, and then as you can see, the first sparkling plug is removed. Good job. There it is. Oh, my little sparkling plug. Oh, it's a good one. So now take the new sparkling plug, push it in position of the additional part of your ratchet, and go back in position. Then tighten it by hand first, and by this additional part, tighten it by rotating it clockwise. And after you're feeling that it's enough, use an socket wrench to tighten it a little bit, and use an torch wrench to tighten it by using 23 Newton meters. That's important. Good job. Pull it down. Yeah. Tighten the the sparkling plug until it's clicking. That is enough, and you reach the right Newton meter. After this, extract the socket wrench and extract all other parts out of the way. Now reinstall the ignition coil itself by pushing it down. Good job. And after this, tighten the 2 top screws again by using a torch wrench. Good job. First step every time is use your hand. After you used your hand, then use a socket wrench. Good job. Nice and easy, as you can see. Do this changing the spark plug changing with cold engine, not after you're driven a lot, because hot metal is gaining, okay? Take care of this. You shall not need a torch wrench for this. Only use a socket wrench for this and torch the screws in a medium way. Not so hard because there is some plastic outside medium. That's enough for these 2 screws. And now we only have to do is to replace the top cover of your engine. Push it back in position and job's done. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And see you next time. Soon. Yeah.
Schocki, Süßchen. Schocki. Schocki.